Today I've got an interesting video for you. It breaks down three different sets of exhausts before I kind of, decided on the headers I was going to go with the full kit. So if you got a Mustang GT and you're trying to decide, this video would be perfect for you. So we start off today with Roush. I went with Roush because I have their blower. The car performs really well with their blower. And this setup was very loud, as you can see.
X-pipe with Roush axle back.
So this system was set up with an X-pipe, and I thought that was the way I was going to go. To be honest, if you look at some of my past channel information or videos, you'll see that I actually had some imports, and X-pipe was the way to go in a lot of the situations. I personally always will scour for videos or listen to other people's setups before I purchase exhaust, but I still will change if I'm not happy. I really like the way that the exhaust tone turned out on my car now that you probably hear in some of the recent videos, and the car is set up almost ready to come back out to the track, so more videos to come. But next up right here, we've got another set of really axle backs, because that's kind of what I stuck with at the beginning. These are Borla attacks. These are a little bit different sounding. They mount very much the same, very easy to put on. You can actually put these and the Roush on yourself. Very easy, in my opinion. But you should always have a professional look at it and use jack stands to be safe and all that stuff, guys. So up next is the Borla exhaust review, and it is very loud. It's probably the loudest of the three units that we're going to look at today. So just giving you a warning, I actually came in second at this exhaust sound off for this car show. And you can see why it's very loud. I do hate this hood. You'll hate it too. And it's gone. Older video.
Alright, then it's time for the 1 o'clock raffle. Did you raffle tickets ready?
Hey, you stay right here, okay? Stay here.
So we got two different exhaust setups. The Roush is, I think the Borla is a little louder. The Roush is a little raspier. That's just my opinion. They both sound good in their own retrospects and however you want to look at it from their price points. But what I decided to go to, and also I think the best setup for your supercharger setup is because they have a high flow cat that you can put on, is the Stainlessworks, and that's what we're gonna look at next. I didn't go with stainless power. I like made in America stuff. I went Stainlessworks, and they have a very unique catback system that we're going to take a look at today that I think you may be interested in. What I love about this exhaust is at 2,000 RPMs on the interstate, I can hear my radio clearly. I could not with just mufflers from one of the other brands. It was too. I wanted something that could be toned down a little. I didn't want to spend the money for the active exhaust to get and have a dial. Sounds cool, but it's electric. It's an exhaust. I just didn't want to deal with that. So I wanted to go straight old school, straight loud all the time if I floor it. And what I came out with was, I think, a great setup. This is full Stainlessworks from their headers all the way back to the catback. It's not their loudest setup because it has the baffles inside the mufflers, like we talked about, those pinch welds that actually show mufflers. They actually have one that's just straight back. This is a race car setup. It's louder than you'd think it would be after 3,000 RPMs, but it's much tamer than you think it would be below, 2,500. So again, in love with the system, and I will be sticking with that on this car. I was really excited about the aggressive exhaust growl that I was hearing from other stainless work catback owners. The unique style of the way the multiple muffler core sizes for the choice. I know I called them pinch welds earlier. They're not really pinch welds. It's probably a bad term, but they are pinched all the way around. It's a very unique style. Also, they have a 1/7" diameter primary tubes for their headers. They have a 3" diameter lead tubes for their headers. That's my thoughts on these 3 different, exhaust setups. I know that's not fair to run with just, no headers on the first 2, but the headers did make a difference in tone, but I really don't know how much difference you're talking about with this catback. Mainly made in America brought me here, but also the sound quality of the tone and how it tries to really retain that tone. That concludes another Real Speeds Productions. Have a great day, everybody. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. Sharing always helps. Thank you for the support, and I will see you next time.